Hello guys, welcome to an XP video, and in this video I'm going to give you an update on the price of Bitcoin. And as we can see, we have a weekly close above our 36,000 level. So this is the third week closing, or second week closing above our 36,000 level. So this is the scenario that we wanted to see happening, which means, Bitcoin showing signs that it wants to consolidate above our 36,000 level. So in our previous video we mentioned that this is what we wanted, that this is what should be happening if we wanted to move higher to our next Fibonacci level. So basically is to keep holding this level as support, especially on the weekly time frame, which is a much stronger sends much stronger signals to the market. And this is what's happening at the moment. So the more we consolidate above our 36,000 level, can actually reduce the probability of coming to retest our 29,000 level again. And if we bring the DXY chart, we can see that one thing that we are noticing is that we can see here, one thing that we are noticing is that we mentioned this green on the DXY, the super gap indicator in this case, was coming too fast, really fast, and this could have implication on the price. So we can see that since we turned green, the price moved, roughly speaking, the price moved around 35 to 40%. Since this green move, since the DXY turned green on the super gap indicator, the price moved around 40%. So what we are noticing at the moment is that the DXY is actually losing steam. And if you are following our channel, you know that we are trying to compare this green area to this green area, which is this area was much extended, much bigger, and it took longer to build this green area before the DXY started getting rejected. So this area started earlier compared to this one. After breaking this major trend line, it took a while before it turns green, but in this case, after breaking this trend line, it quickly, the green this green area started earlier. And not only that, we can notice now that the DXY is actually reversing quite fast, not compared to this zone here that we thought, that we had two red candles retesting this major support and finding support and pushing higher in this case, so to extend this green area. So meaning the DXY was supposed to increase in value, and therefore Bitcoin was actually consolidating around this level, conquered this level, when the DXY started getting rejected at this Fibonacci level, meaning losing power. So the same thing started right now, and we have not only one, two, this is the third red candle. You can see the extent of this. The last week candle was actually big and close, really below, almost below the super gap indicator. This move, the bull market acceleration process phase could be happening very soon. Why we say that is because we had two green on super gap indicator, followed by a silver, and finally red. So we have the first green, second green, and if we turn silver, this could mean that the DXY is supposed to lose more power. The DXY is supposed to lose more power, and this could actually reflect on the price of Bitcoin. We have Bitcoin holding 36,000 level for the second week, and we have DXY showing signs of weakness very quickly. So if we lose 103 level on the DXY, we are likely to turn silver again, and there is a strong possibility to turn red, which usually mark the market acceleration entering its final stage, like it did for the previous cycle. So it's good to see that Bitcoin is holding 36,000 level on the weekly time frame, and the DXY is showing signs of weakness on the weekly time frame, and with strong possibility to become silver and afterward red, which would signal the bull market acceleration process, leading to Bitcoin topping in this new bull market. If we go to our Bitcoin ratio, we know the confirmation of this bull market already started. Like we explained on this ratio, we have the RSI almost touching the 1862 level, and the ratio is above both moving average, like it did on the previous cycle. So far so good. We have Bitcoin dominance as well, beginning to lose steam. For the last 3 weeks, you can see the dominance is losing power, and it seems like it's coming to retest. We can even assume that last 2 weeks we basically almost retested this trend line, and we mentioned that if we lose this trend line and this 200-week moving average and this Fibonacci level around 50, that is likely that the Bitcoin would give power to the altcoins and allow altcoins to actually go in a major bull run as well. And yes, we would like to show another chart, which is the DXY, and we can see how the DXY is actually getting rejected around. It was rejected around 107, 106, between 106 and 7, and now it looks like it's losing power. and we can see that the RSI is as well breaking the 50 level to the downside and this major trend line. So showing signs. The last time that RSI was at this level and start breaking, we can see what happened to DXY. DXY fell from around 113 all the way down to 100. And if we return below, the other side return below the 50 level, we can confirm, we can actually assume that the DXY wants to correct a little bit more and probably having to come in to test this the top of this trend line one more time. That's it for today, guys. That's it for today. We have a beautiful weekly close above our 36,000 level. We want to see within the next week, we're gonna have another close, which will start another event. Will start on the 27th of November until June 2024. We want to see what's going to happen if Bitcoin, if the DXY will actually start losing power and the super gap indicator will actually turn silver again, and afterward red. This would actually give Bitcoin the possibility to have, during this event, to actually escalate a little bit more and probably challenge next 3 Fibonacci levels. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. We hope you appreciate this video, and if you did, please leave a like and consider subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.